Bianca Entertainment, like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to watch the ads. As Jermaine Michael, Jesse living colors. Don't forget to watch the art. Subscribe and share. But you see the same stone that the builder man refuse shall be the head cornerstone. Bianca Entertainment, I go make it, and them good. Yes, no man. Like and share, subscribe. Don't forget that.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? I'm back with chill spot. Where rainbow there? Guys, there's a rainbow. And Power will go to the end of the rainbow to see if he can find me goal. I must see if he can find me goal. We'll come back with chill spot, guys, and we're going to cook and we're going to fishing right now. We're not supposed to have it so much nice, no, I fish them out here, you see. So today is our fishing day. We are with Panshan and Oprah. And we are Ashima. And Power is here. Hey guys, right now we're with chill spot background. And we are cook chicken and rice and peas.
Beef, peas and seasoning, Java ground.
We are watch that off, guys. You don't know where you're going there in
Concrete jungle safari, man.
Yes, in an adventurous.
Eh?
You know you have to be adventurous.
You know what?
Guys, we didn't want to show them a strainer, but
It passed.
He passed. He gone.
It passed.
So we are cooked curry shrimps, homestyle chicken and rice and peas. Who want some? We'll just come in.
See fire.
Right there, sir.
See settings there. Beer, shampoo, you know what I mean? Coconut trash over the side there. I look at tabernacle when I fix up down there.
Well, I'm going to show them your bed.
I'm not going to show them bed, B. I look at tabernacle and down there fix up for now. But, I yes or no? Yes sir. Eh? Yes sir, yes sir.
You don't catch fish right there, sir. I don't catch none. What there, sir?
Yes sir, That's how I fish is, man. You see, but you fish the MIA. I don't see fish they know so we are far where the fish then go high, brother. But I kind of like the kitchen, you know, our kitchen settings. Yeah. And I bucket they put the shrimp. You should put the ice in a bucket too. So the water will catch on fire. Cool same, you know what I mean? That good still. Then you put it in there now, it will have a smell like that, you see it? That tastes like shrimp. If you put the ice in a bucket now, that tastes like a shrimp.
This is a bucket of water.
Yeah man, that's spring water man, I know you man.
Go catch spring water out there.
Spring water run all corner man, we place ever cool. All in the sun hot. Water ever cool man, you see me? Yeah, and the music work for the truck and there's some music stuff. I catch water for drink and we can buy one big bottle of water every day. Yeah, but I'm going to go catch it this morning. See that? Pot up, hot up. Be a going to the supermarket there. See them come out to the back of the aisle. Food supermarket, see them? Food supermarket, you know? Right, man. Hear that? Hear that, youth? Pot hot. Oh, dear. Yeah, down in my 5-star establishment down here so now. You see me? Pirates I Caribbean settings, you know what I mean? One little native fireside. Few more branches for when them I burn up, me stack up back the thing. It's a good look, my dream, man. When the night forward down, the vibe are the right, man. You see me? Right, man. Front yard settings, you know? It's down from the pinnacle here, so. With a big head split. You know what I mean? And just I watch it, you know what I mean? See the jigger. No, I go, man. Boy, plantation, they are dog, but I one of them things, there, brother. Fully, man. Next flick, we are flip, man, the day night, man. You see me? No joke. The people, them want one device, you know? I face this, man. One and only, you know? How are you? Oh. Yeah, youth! Few little knicks-knacks got a knife pattern now, you know? You know? As, you know? Are you take the kitchen outside this Sunday, people? You know, inside? You're outside. I'm not a video part of all of them. Difference in my video be. No, I'm a video of a stone. I told me don't know about it yet, man. I soon get used to it, man. Yeah, you're outside. You know, so I can start this every Sunday, you know? Not every Sunday, but most of the Sunday, you see me? 1 and 2 of them, brother. Maybe.
You know?
I come over this apata. Shrimp in a bucket, mini me. People, I did fish food is there, you know? I did fish bait. But better things we're going to do, you know?
I will not catch no fish.
You don't catch a fish. I'm going to fat every fish them for those. They're surprised their stomach. They ask them what I know. Guess what me have to study there last week? Some shrimp. But everybody does have common salt water and drink, them have shrimp.
Oh yes guys, Miss Trainer here.
I strainer that.
In case you're on the beach cooking,
I strainer
or you're
that.
there anywhere cooking, and you left your strainer.
I strainer that. Stiff breast beef.
Yeah, you can use a kerchief, wash it out clean, you know. And you remember when the granny used to use nappy? You see me? Yeah. Right, that's how it takes there, you know? So this is my strainer.
You know the strainer there.
From Bianca Entertainment.
I know so I know the strainer there. You know the strainer there.
Alright, let's see the shrimp, you know?
Alright.
But this is for your final.
You can smell the pot as you out. I don't know you can't smell the pot 3-4 you out. You can't smell the 3-4 brother, but yeah man. Alright, better say you see fish that come right up and water tap it and don't cook. I look them back and look at you and walk on, you know? You know? People, you know that? Fish and meat sauce. Chingdang, Chinese sauce. Creative cooking. What? Maggie. Maggie in everything to Bumbuck lad.
Maggie no.
Maggie no for fuck.
The black pepper the bee.
Huh? How you put it this morning? Look good. I'm glad it's a part of the record to Bumbuck lad. More people ain't see me as now. People! He put black pepper in the bag and can't find me.
Black pepper in everything. People catch up in the pot, yeah. Where on that chat, Missy?
You know what I tell you? Beat up look there's a few black pepper. Look at that bag. Me hide the black pepper beef.
You hide it?
Beef and this man they give me a sheep and laugh when they see me hide the black pepper beef. Me hide the black pepper in a small part and bag beef. See they look good if you don't see black pepper in there.
Really?
Me hide me hide it for true.
Where put it for two?
Hide in there some man. In there some me hide the beef. See that? Me hide it. Hide it man. I tell that black pepper now. See that people? Bumbuck.
What we do here is go back.
People, you smell that? Oh!
Hot black pepper. Hot class.
No shrimp.
Yeah? Yeah? You know, see, I give fish more than that. Come to think of it. You know me? Come to think of it.
Come to think of it, the fish they yam me out, guys. They yam me out and fold me out.
Fish and deal him like PMP them. Last time PMP them straight to them and go win. If I run up and down that PR, people that doesn't get them out and vote in dirty labor right. No, no pepper. Eh? Yeah, take out the pepper bit. Let's see that. We have to recycle people, see that? Put me have to tell me be. Up here come from. About that. I read him, I tell you. I then said the pepper is cut 2 pieces now, remember? Yeah. I want to do it hot like fuck, see me, remember me? Yeah, my body hot too. You got a bathroom. Come by. Where you want? The people in the got KFC at them place there. And then go to them thing, yeah? I don't know if them have there. See, it come in very handy today. KFC ketchup we are using in our kitchen.
You want some of this in it?
Be put in your seasoning pot, maybe. Eh? You're afraid? Oh, yeah, seasoning pot. Sugar and spice and everything nice. Chemical X. That's a pop-up girl you making it be. Blood clot.
Smell that? I saw something.
Be a chicken, me smell be. Me smell the sauce. Be me smell the chicken. You got about me smell? What you smell be? Eh? Alright, me believe you. Me believe how you smell. Be me smell the chicken. You believe how me smell you know? How this? We send him a shop in the man. We are watching and come back, you know? We are watching and come back, man. With there, man.
You get pepper?
You get pepper?
You get cinnamon mint juice?
You take it right down. I'm going to drink salt water. No, be like this.
The rice done? No, if I do rice.
Clot, mad. Mad man. Careful on a go there now,
Put them out and put them in the ice cream.
Watch it now. You have to watch. You have to watch me good now, you. I'm going to take a liver and let's move now. Bumbo clot. I forgot to put in more coal life fire.
What is this okay, I'm going at? Okay, so guys, this is power threading the cabbage. So you know we're gonna have vegetables, you know. You can't have rice and peas without vegetable, you know.
Rice and peas, I told you. I know vegetable. That's all right.
Yeah, guys, they don't know a beat setting. See water there?
It's in salt water.
But the people that come back our place every time. So one bus there will place. I don't know if they come to take a picture, guys, but to them there. See water they have bunks. Only because we not know where to swim, guys, but as I think said, we have a pot settings over here too. What live like we? Island hot fish shrimp.
One belly full, me don't want it.
Down here, so our sitting area. How does make up the fire. When we go down there, we'll show you a look better. This is our water bucket. We catch it from the spring out there. And the aisle at now, so we'll be back. I don't want to see my fry up shrimp. Alright. It's curry shrimps in coconut milk.
Here we go, guys, and we'll be back. I'll cover the pattern.
And we're not in a swimming area, so we're going to stand up and make the water splash for we. As I can see, just look how the water splash for the stone. It splashed for me and wet up me. So. Oh guys, there's a ship.
I'm stranded on this island.
Rescue me! See we are over here, sir. I guess somebody see we in it, but they can't stop. Yeah. 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 You hear that tree, man? You can't manage that?
Yeah. Wahood we get.
Wahood. So, if you don't want to give them, I'll show you. Guys, ain't this beauty? Oh my God, guys, guess what? We're cooking on a big rice! Next week we'll be doing the same thing again, guys. Because we don't get the YouTube money to start cook for the homeless people them, so we are going to cook outside for ourselves. Yeah, remember, so I want you look at igloo. Look at the beauty! Oh my God. There's the roadside, guys. If you can remember the last video, we named our chill spot. If you don't watch it, go back and watch it. It's our chill spot. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, and you work.
Did you say that work? Did that work right at the greater? We're not a trader. But true, we have a personal human trader. We don't have to worry, you see me? So guys, today's video is all about teaching you guys how to turn your hand and make fashion. Your granny didn't tell you? How to turn your hand and make fashion. Or in case you're stranded somewhere you don't have certain things. Yeah. But you know, if we go up Blue Mountain right now, we're not going to have no trader. We're going to bring trader. So you have to know how to turn your hand and make fashion. Watch your dog. Dog move better than the great.
Yeah, man, big up the dog shot in the night. I babble.
You babble?
You babble like babble rock, yeah? She been ready to splash up.
This is curry shrimp in coconut milk.
Stop problem, I speak.
B, leave me alone.
Stop talk, regular racing. This is curry and shrimp.
We are only going to catch power. I put the vegetable in and see if it's cool. Vegetable Latina, guys. I'm gonna put it for cool. Guys, at this time, tell you how to make fashion. At this time, tell you how to make fashion. We don't have any fridge, so we put in the vegetable to cool. Yeah, all of that. So. You can wash it. Me that splash up. What that splash up in there? You know splash up in there? Not clear. Me not catch it drop in there?
In a video.
No. Me not catch it drop.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Hello, greetings.
Just read.
Blessing.
Me not catch it drop.
Hello, Rasta.
Guys, watch the chef. I chef that today. Come with the food on the foot.
You say, yeah, just arrived. Just touchdown.
Go up go on over there, so. Beach ball and we can't swim. Look there, guys. We can't swim in the beach ball.
Yes, I want the rice.
What about it?
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
I'm cool.
Say, yo, daddy.
Yeah!
Daddy, we are coming from there. Say, yo, daddy.
Power, me not catch you dropping a power. Me not catch you dropping there in a video. Woman!
Something to die for.
Can't believe me not catch you when you're dropping up.
I'll put that really in the youth. I drop it up.
Guys, Perry drop and not catch me. That's a good sign that, though. Vegetable will make the food. We're not enough fruit, so we are. See there? See there? In that water. You see there, black skin?
Right there.
Guys, we're going over the fridge. And Power, how much do you say I have to take to reach over the fridge?
Actually, I have to go back.
Alright.
Move over the ice tray.
Yeah. I put it in the freezer.
The wine beside the ice.
Which part?
Beside the ice.
Okay. Come, we're for the Power. Go over and fridge. You see a 3 day and take walk over there. Guys, this is so epic. I wish you were here. Wish you 3,000 I won't know the day. But obviously, we're not there still.
Just a click away.
Just a click away.
Like, share,
Comment
comment.
and subscribe. Remember to watch the ads, guys.
Yeah, man, watch out the ads. I just say come in vital. Listen, man.
Okay, guys, so see the vegetable there. And we will put all of these on the fridge now. Woo.
If you give back like expensive thing, and it's a glass.
Yeah.
This is off the day. Listen, man.
Yeah. So he's gonna put, remember who put 9 freezer part. Oh, my dad. Why in 9 freezer part? And we're going to put the water down at the bottom of the fridge. I have. This a girl here call me for wash rice, guys. So you see her out there, so see her there. After we don't have a fridge. I 3 days, I take to come back up. Come back. Hey! Buddy! They have put the Pepsi B. Guys, and that is the wine. Wine cover. The water there, guys. Now I'm gonna put the Pepsi somewhere. Between us and Patrick. You're not going to move. There is a Pepsi. So we have Pepsi, we have wine. The wine there. Well, the wine there right now. And we have water over here. And we have vegetable right there. Okay, guys? So remember, the moral of the video is when you're on a make fashion. You understand? Okay. Guys, wanna make sure so don't like this video, you know, because wanna see with fridge. Wanna see with fridge. Wanna see with fridge. It's a 1 in a million courts that have them in a fridge. Yeah. None of that. So wanna make sure so wanna watch all the ads, subscribe to the channel, no man. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Now get in my nice video, I will not subscribe. Eh? Let me know video don't more phone then, man. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friend them, like the video.
I can do that.
Yeah. Yeah guys, make sure say we not do enough for that because me and babe there will make a fridge. We are gonna cook and we are gonna do that every Sunday or every other Sunday. So guys, we'll catch you back later. This is the view of this spoon that we're on right now. It's kind of in the middle of the field. You know what, it just put it still up on the land. So yeah. And here we have Shanta with her umbrella. How we gonna tell my papa? Chef, my idea. Birthday boy, happy birthday! And here we have this one. Perry. Perry, I love for me guys. Guys, Perry drop on me, don't get to drop.
You can't leave messing me, I go somewhere, man. Eh? Huh? No. Yeah. Oh, yeah, be. This is for about to blood clot. Hooray! Fucking mad guy. Yeah, be afraid of go there water, man. Chill with the water. You see when they see eel them, just show them for your eel back. Yeah? Yeah, me I came back when they come from. Just come down. See how long you go up there, just come down.
Guys, that was a blast. here we have. Look here.
Bush.
No, yeah, one here.
A wild bush that be.
Where we find it in there? Tell me.
A wild bush that. Parasite flowers. It grew up on the one of that.
I have one name.
Hold this. I like it.
No.
Poinsettia.
No.
People, this is wild whisk.
Yeah. See that, guys? Right, here's the phone, guys. Right, this one. Eh? Woo! Eh? Nino, você avança aqui. You want a picture? Want to know? Alright? Yeah. Where? Come now. Come now. You afraid? You afraid of eel? Right there, sir? On this one? On the stone up there, sir? Must be mad. What's up? Back with your weight, fire. Back with your weight. Back with your weight for a long time. And you're not call. I will not have credit.
One day I boom like trampoline, but here we go, guys. I don't understand what's going on. Eh? Tira, I go feed the fish them with shrimp, like the fish them. Me want to know if fish have shrimp body. Eh? They come from the same place. If they want shrimp, then they have shrimp out the sea. They have shrimp body, so we not shrimp body. So if you have chicken and fish and shrimp, okay? Okay. It's okay.
The fish and you have for shrimp and a lava for me.
Yeah, yeah, that's get used to being independent. So this is part of my little crew. And when PE family do some little shit, they laugh their ass off. So guess what? Get used to PE family. Alright guys, we're outside. As me, I enjoy myself. I don't know a big bad sous chef this. Team player at work, isn't it? So yo, we're big him up today.
Yeah.
Here we go. Outside.
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 I ain't got them outside. Guys, we are change beach because they want to swim, so we are go over our fridge for the yeah. We're moving, so we need our wine. Go tell them out, man. Come here, video and a vlog. Sweet.
Yo,
Take out the Pepsi.
yo, it's the thing that make you chick up land. You listen to what I want, yeah? What a violate you. We are killing some people right now.
But your one is on. Everything gone up. Everything gone, Vanessa. What left there, sir? Now left the stove. Okay, guys, we're moving out. We're moving. We're moving out. Everybody have something. Somebody carry that wine for me now. Good night, Bob, no? Yeah, come here, guys, you want to put it. You have one better place to put it, you know? I swear. Guys, we're moving out, we're moving out, we're moving out. Wow, we're adventurous, bad. Them supposed to.
Move in the kitchen. Move in. I'm going to be extra for going. I'm be extra for going. I change the mood. I
Guys, you see that? You see that? The Bianca Entertainment crew make us friend on the way. Where am I do that for? Round the corner. In the business where you want to go. Oh, watch the crew. First it was 3, now it's 3 dozen. The Muslim, the Jews, the rest.
Yeah, understand? We outside.
We're outside.
Yeah. We on the hike.
Yo, we can't catch you. Ashima is in the water. Say something, girl. And these guys are playing ball. None of them is baller. And these rastas. And the rest of them are play ball, but none of them are the ball, you know? So guys, we come off our rock and they're on the flat now. You what? You black? It's smooth part of water? You put on YouTube. See that, guys? Not even 1 second you can't keep up for. I want to be a vlogger, yeah. Vlogger. Media personnel. Give up, man. You dog say I don't like your media Babylon thing. So me say, Bobo. So me say, but Rasta, you're up on Facebook. The dog say on my face, they're on it, you know. Bobo. Bobo. Your foot down on the way. Your foot come like my foot. Hey guys, I'm here. The water in the block behind me.
Here is go back.
Can I see the clear part right there? Watch belly for your baby blanket. No back company to watch it. If I preggy me preggy, because no I'm not. I'm definitely not, okay? Yeah guys, so that's what we're doing. We're here on the beach having fun. We don't call Oprah, but Oprah don't vex it because till it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I tell boo, I'm gonna text you, so I don't know where you at, girl. It's not too late though. See everybody else play ball? I've never watched already, sir. I forgot to bring my tea somewhere. We forgot to bring a waterproof case, guys. We know since a waterproof one, somebody can get one day, but not right now because it's not necessary right now. Because you're still not deep. You're so shallow. As you can see. So that's that, and we're gonna call over right now and see what's going. Are you a player? Pause. 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 We don't want copyright. Okay, guys. You still look hungry on the camera. Guys, they still look hungry now. You look at that and eat like some ice cream. We don't want dessert, guys.
No, we don't want no dessert. We don't want dessert. We don't want no dessert. We want that PS. Alright, Jamel.
Okay, so who is willing to take us to Devon House today? Bumbo. No, sir. Me don't hear nobody.
Yeah, man, I can't go, I can't play. I can buy one one.
Yeah, can't go there.
I can't go there, but everybody have to buy what they want. You can't get it,
Three people them here eat.
food.
Alright,
Chicken.
no, Serrano.
Latin.
Yeah.
No, Devano's ice cream place.
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas, you be a tomato that good. Basically, all that are fucking. You know?
Okay.
And Devano's the place name, you know? Yeah.
So, it's eating. Three people here.
I pepper me eat a while ago.
Yeah.
Pepper. Chicken. Shrimp. And plant man. And carrot too.
And Pepsi.
I'm gonna drink my
So we're
Pepsi.
eating right now. So we catch you back later.
I'm drink my Pepsi. No Pepsi, I'm not drinking.
You know, you already might drink, guys.
I never do for.
Yeah. Oh my God, hold on, I'm coming. Guys, them puppy champion over there, so you know. Wait up, let them see it. Check. Microphone check. Living the life. This is what you call life. Okay, guys, today is the big chef's birthday.
And I'm treating him like we're at work, okay?
Chairman. Chairman.
Happy birthday. Did you enjoy your day so far? It's amazing. It's good. It's great.
Everybody get their
Drink champagne. You know drink champagne. Come on, man. Follow me.
Surprise your stomach. Your stomach go down, sir. Your stomach go down, sir. What is this? Okay, guys. So this is a special stone to me and to my friend them. Because it has 3 face. I don't know if you can see what we are seeing right now. Alright, so this is 1 face. Don't be 2 eyes so. And the mouth so. That is the smiley face. Right here we have another face. 1 eye so, 1 over here so, and the mouth right here so. Alright. And then where the other one then? Turn it upside it down. Wait.
Cheers, boy.
Wait, what the other face? The elephant?
Caesar.
Okay, yeah. 2 eyes also. The nose also and the mouth also. So this is like one half a face like.
Face, I sing.
So that's only have 3 faces, guys. This one is very special, you know.
That's one next.
And beside the turning pan is a face.
Laugh. I Jamaica shape where the mouth have catch me and number say 2 eye and whole head. It's like what I call them people like
It's in nature, it's
Siamese
amazing.
twin. Yeah, Siamese twin.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, say the beach trip in right there, and it's time to go home. So. My other phone dead, guys. So if you see over here, so kind of blurry. You know, say the cream crab. What the phone name again?
Samsung.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, there was a crash with a bike and a car. Yeah, but we never get to catch a crash. We did the far. How can we take a crowd, isn't it? So, if you like this vlog, I would like you to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure to watch out the ads channel, don't know what to say. Alright, the same money make. So, yeah, we're there, we're on creeper now, and that's that. Catch you back later.